Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Dusad and welcome to Gyan Shala with Masti. Today we will be talking about that what happens when we crack our knuckles. So let us talk about it. So cracking our knuckles basically makes a sound, and you may have already heard it that what is the sound? It's a pop sound. So why does that happen? So basically when we do like this and something like this, so our bones move, and that's when the pop sound comes. So first let us talk about that what are the joints in our fingers, because we are cracking our knuckles which are in the fingers only. So what are the joints in the fingers? So the joints in the fingers are known as the synovial joints. And between the synovial joints, there is a fluid which acts as a cushion between two bones. Because uh, if we put two bones together like this only, when they will move, they will rub against each other and they will shred and break each other. So that's why there is a synovial fluid between them. So when we move them, it moves slightly easier and it is a cushion like substance. So what happens when we crack our knuckles? So the synovial fluid has gas bubbles in it. So whenever we do like this or this, so the bubbles come at one particular place and they expand. Now you know that what happens when a air bubble expands. If it expands too much, it is not able to create a balance between the pressure, so it pops. So that's how we hear the pop sound. And cracking knuckles is not a bad thing, and it does not actually damage your finger joints. It's just a sound that is made by the gas bubbles popping. So hope you understood that what cracking knuckles is and how does it make the noise. So please like and share this video and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.